Let's discuss methods in Python and learn to implement them. This is class car. We have 6 methods here. Init helps initialize the values of brand, model, color and fuel. The other methods are start, halt, drift, speed up and turn. We pass these for now. Note that every method must take the self argument. You can call it anything. Now this is an object of this class. The brand is Hyundai, the model is Verna, the color is black, and the fuel is diesel. To drift is part of its behavior. This is another class try. The method printHello takes another argument, name. It then prints hello name and also returns the name. So on an object, a call to this method with the value Ayushi, it prints hello Ayushi and returns the string Ayushi. Now this is class result. Init initializes for physics, chemistry and maths, and print average prints out the average marks. For this it uses the word self for dealing with the data for this object. Let's do a couple questions now. Funny parenthesis. Write a function that validates a string with parenthesis, curly braces and square brackets. This is the class parenthesis and its method is valid. The stack is empty and the valid dictionary holds pairs for parenthesis, square brackets and curly braces. For each character in the string to check if it is a key in the valid dictionary, append this to the stack. If it is not a key and the stack is empty or the character is not equal to the value for the last value from the stack, return false. After we've checked everything, return whether the stack is empty. Let's create an object of this class. This is valid, this is not, and neither is this one. Mirror, mirror. Write a function that validates a string with parentheses, curly braces and square brackets. This method in this class takes some text as argument. It splits the text around spaces, reverses the list, and then joins everything using spaces. This gives us a sentence with the words reverse.